Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix Paramount Plus error code 3005.
Fix 1. Refresh your browser or app. Step 1. Close Paramount Plus completely. Step 2. Reopen it and try playing the video again. Step 3. If using a browser, refresh the page or press Ctrl 5. Fix 2. Clear cache and cookies. Step 1. Go to your browser settings, Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Step 2. Clear cache and cookies. Step 3. Restart your browser and reopen Paramount Plus. Step 4. Sign back in and check if the error is gone. Fix 3. Restart your device. Step 1. Turn off your streaming device or TV. Step 2. Unplug it from power for 30 seconds. Step 3. Plug it back in and relaunch Paramount Plus. Fix 4. Check your internet connection. Step 1. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable. Step 2. Run an internet speed test. You'll need at least 5 Mbps for HD streaming. Step 3. If it's slow, restart your router or switch to a wired connection.